I'm so stoked to be able to get our garden set up right here. Now we got these ones, which I absolutely love. There's a bunch of different sizes, but these ones that you're checking out right now, to be able to give you kind of an idea as far as size, these are the ones that are 6 feet long, 2 feet high, and then 3 feet wide. Now we got a 2-pack. You can obviously, there's so many different variations as far as sizes, 1 or 2-pack or more. Like, they made it so easy. These things are very easy to set up. They're extremely durable. So what's really nice about them is before you fill them up, to move these things around, it's so easy. They're nice and light, very, very easy and portable. But once you fill them up, because of how physics work, it's going to push all that weight out with the corrugated steel. Extremely durable. These things are not going to go anywhere. They're extremely stable. I also love the fact that they are high. So if you live in a place where that might be a little bit windy and you want to be able to plant your, crop or whatever that may be, fruit, vegetables a little bit lower, it'll protect from that wind, which is really nice. I really, really like them. They're very simple, straight to the point. I like that they're white, which is going to be nice to be able to deflect a lot of that heat. So it's not going to be just roasting in the sun if you're in a place where it is really hot. Very easy to put together. And also, if you ever needed to be able to take it apart and then take it to your next home or other location, if you needed to be able to take it, like kind of collapse it down, you just unscrew the screws. You can go in and out as many times as you want as far as like putting these pieces on and off. So it's not something that's just always stationary. It's very simple. I love the fact that we're going to have 2 of these right here, have a bunch of things growing. They did a great job. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys, with whatever you guys are growing, wherever you're at, have a great time with these. Let's talk about these garden beds and a hack that you could do. So we put ours like this and created a sandbox. Cannot say enough good about it as far as a parent. My kids play in this literally all the time. Absolutely love it. Holds in the sand really well. So it can show you that it holds in the sand very well. So if you are gardening, like we got going on over here, there's 2 other garden boxes going on over there, but they work super, super well to be able to hold everything in, to be able to make sure stuff is not coming out. Absolutely love it. It was a very simple install, right? It's just these getting everything put together, the panels put together, but works really well. They have different colors and different sizes to be able to fit the needs that you have going on. Can't say enough good about them, but we did our hack over here on into creating it into a sandbox, but you can totally use them like normal for the sandboxes that are, sorry, not sandboxes, the garden boxes that we have going on over there, the garden beds. Hope you guys enjoy and have a great garden or a sandbox, but wanted to show you guys that. All right, when you guys are looking into these raised garden beds, these things work so stinking well. I absolutely love them. Now, these are 2 different sizes. I wanted to show you one that we have over here in this impromptu parent hack that we did. And I'm going to show you this one for an example of the garden bed. So we made this into a parent hack sandbox, which I absolutely love. My kids play in this all the time. But I wanted to be able to show you this, that we have this about halfway full with sand, and it's not leaking out. If there's any stuff that's coming out, that's the kids being kids and throwing sand out. But it works extremely well, very solid. This galvanized steel is so stinking strong, which is one thing that I just absolutely love about it. I know that they have sizes and colors, but they're so easy to use. They obviously work very well when it comes to gardening, which is super nice. So you can use it in any way you want, but that's just one of the ways that we did it. Wanted to kind of show you guys that hack that we had, but love them. I know that there's like that rubber trim that you can put on top. We did not do that. Hope you guys enjoy.